Good morning. Today is Saturday. It is 11:30. I slept in today. It was so nice. I have taken my break from school and it's time to get back into routine and studying. So I do work at 4. I don't have too much time today, but I basically just need to clean up and get everything in order because my room is a mess and I need to do laundry and all that fun stuff. I'm just gonna make myself an English muffin right now. I would really love a nice espresso coffee, but unfortunately I broke the thing to pull off the top of this canister. I tried to cut it open with a knife and I broke my knife, so I don't know what to do with that. I might just make a boring old black coffee. But I'm a solid few days behind on my advent calendar. I kind of forgot about them for 3 days, so I need to do that. Okay, I didn't realize that I was 4 days behind. I'm definitely not gonna eat all of this right now. I think I'm gonna put some in my lunch. This is a freaking huge cup of coffee. That's beautiful. My roommate bought this oat nog and it's really good. It just it's super sweet. So I think I'm gonna put a little bit of this into my coffee. I'm also gonna put in just my regular creamer. We got the English muffin, we got the eggs, vitamins, coffee, water. We are all set up for a good day. So I was telling my brother about the can and he had the genius idea to use a can opener, which I didn't think of. I'm literally so stupid and I broke the tip off of this knife, so that was great and I didn't even think to use a can opener. I've been sitting here editing Vlogmas Day 9, which is the first one that I've posted in a few days, so that's exciting. It is 3 o'clock now. I probably have to leave for work at 3:45, so I'm gonna get ready pretty quick here and then leave. I think there's an event tonight and I'm working with my favorite coworkers, so should be a good night. I just picked up some Starbucks. I got my favorite drink. It's just an oat latte with hazelnut. Slaps every time. It's so good. And I also just got a breakfast sandwich because I did not feel like cooking before I went to work today. I'm just gonna skirt on over to work and then I'll probably just see you after. I don't know. I might combine 2 days again because the days that I work, it's just it takes up such a big chunk of my day that it's too boring to just do only a work day. So we will see. Spread them out a bit more. They don't need to be yeah, that's Take all the fun here. Yeah. Cute. Is it a circle?
Yeah, it's just how the fuck?
That's so funny. Looks fine. You back up.
Yeah, that's a lot better.
Perfect. Good morning. Monday today. I slept for 10 hours last night. I went to bed at 1 and I woke up at 11:15 this morning, so definitely much needed. I have some cleaning and studying to do today as per usual. I'm gonna start by making myself a coffee. My brother finally opened the espresso coffee, so I'm gonna make that and then I'm gonna upload a vlog that I've just forgotten to upload. It's Vlogmas Day 9, so I made the thumbnail this morning and I just need to upload it. So I'm gonna make myself a coffee, do that, and then I'm going to make breakfast as well. I thrifted this coffee machine. It didn't come with like a thing to press down the espresso coffees. I just found these. They're like for espresso shots, but they work fantastic to press down the coffee. Just gotta be resourceful, you know? Yum. Okay, I forgot to do my advent calendars again yesterday, so I'm gonna have 4 chocolates this morning again. I'm surprised I didn't do something special for the 12th because I feel like this one does, if I remember correctly. I think it's a bear. I was right. Oh my gosh, I can't get it out, but it's a little bear. I feel like every university student can agree with this. I literally check my emails every single day and I wake up and there's like 12 emails. Okay, the vlog is uploading right now. So I didn't film days 7 and 8, or I did film a few clips, but it wasn't enough to post. And then I filmed Vlogmas day 9, but I had to work that night, so I didn't get a chance to upload it before I went to work. And then I got home at like midnight and I was like, well, I don't want to upload it now because then it's kind of pointless. I'll just upload it tomorrow. And then I forgot to upload it that day. It's December 12th today, and I'm uploading Vlogmas Day 9, which is supposed to be uploaded on December 10th. So definitely a little messed up, but again, like I said when I started this, I'm not going to be too hard on myself if I mess up. I'm just like honestly confused on like where I should pick up. I'm filming today, so I think I'm just going to post day 12 tomorrow and act like nothing happened. So that's probably the plan. Okay, my video is posted, so that feels good to have that done. I think I'm going to commit to a solid 2 hours of cleaning. I have to do laundry, clean my bathroom, clean the kitchen, all that fun stuff. So I'm going to do that for 2 hours, just grind it out, play some music, and then after that I'm going to start studying for one of my finals, which is on Wednesday. Honestly, it's only on stuff after the midterms, so I'm feeling pretty good about it. I don't feel like I have so much to review that it's like overwhelming. Done cleaning now. I'm just waiting for my bed sheets to be done and then I'll put those back on. I'm gonna get ahead and get started with some school. I might go grocery shopping today. I'm not too sure. I could just go tomorrow morning as well, but we'll see. I don't even know what time it is right now. I think it's like 4:30. So of course it's pitch black outside, so that's obviously super motivating, but regardless, I still am gonna spend the afternoon kind of doing some school. Oh my gosh, I am literally so bad at remembering to film things. I was just out with some of my coworkers. We went to a place that has like a bunch of pool tables, so we were playing pool for a bit. And I forgot to film anything, but it was very fun, I can assure you that. It's like 10:30 now. It's honestly not too late to get back from going out, so I'm just gonna go in, probably take a shower, and then do a little bit of school. But honestly, I might just end the vlog here. I do know that I still have to put my bed sheets on my bed, which is like the worst feeling ever, but oh well, at least they're clean, and then I'll chuck my other loads of laundry in before I go to bed. But yeah, tomorrow's gonna be an actual grind because my final is on Wednesday.